Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat in 2 minutes or less. Today, I would like to show you how you can set up your stores in Plan to Eat to make bulk shopping easier. So what I mean by bulk shopping is if you are in a situation where you like to shop for non-perishable items for the entire month ahead, and then like to do smaller weekly shopping trips for perishable items, that's essentially how I'm going to show you how you could set up your meal plan this way. Now, we do have a help article that details this information as well. It is linked in the description of this video. So I'm going to use my store labeled as favorite store for all of my weekly shopping trips, for the shopping trips that I do for the perishable items on my list. But I'm going to take all my non-perishable items and I'm going to transfer them into a new store. So already over here in my stores, I created a non-perishable stores here. And all I need to do is just select multiple items here. This is really easy to do on the website version of the program. I can choose all of these things that are non-perishable items that maybe I want to either buy in bulk or I just want to buy them for the month ahead. I can come up here in this blue bar at the top, select store, and add it to the non-perishable store. Now you can see it added all these things here. And then out of my favorite store, I have my produce, dairy, and meat, some of these perishable items that I might only buy week to week. So a couple ways that you can set this up when you actually go shopping is to set your date range for the entire month ahead and then move all your non-perishables or your bulk items into a separate store, and then you can shop for those. And then you can change your date range back to your weekly date range on a week-to-week basis to be able to shop for those additional produce, dairy, perishable items. You can also accomplish this by printing out your shopping list, your non-perishable shopping list for the entire month, and then once again, going back and changing your date range to the weeklies, and you could print out each week, week by week, if you wanted to do that, or print them all out at once. So as long as you don't restore your shopping list for the entire month, you should be able to check off all of the items that you've already purchased, all of your non-perishable items, and then you will also be able to see all of your perishable items on a week-to-week basis for the rest of the month, since you already have all of those recipes planned. So if you have questions about this, again, there's a help article in the description, and you can also email us at help@plantoeat.com if you need further details on how you could do this for your particular situation. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you again soon.